All right, so to become less lazy and more productive, try these tips, okay? Number one, set clear goals. Define specific achievable goals for yourself. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Number two, create a routine. Establish a daily schedule that works with your time. It divides your exercise and your leisure all into different spots. Consistency can help build productive habits. Number three, eliminate distractions. You got to identify what distracts you and minimize those interruptions, because this could mean turning off notifications or creating a dedicated workspace or getting rid of somebody. So number four, start small. Begin with small tasks to build momentum. Completing even minor tasks can boost your motivation. Number five is to stay active. Always incorporate physical activity in your day. Exercise can increase energy levels and improve your mood. Number six, find motivation. Remind yourself of the reason behind you're doing everything you're trying to do to achieve your goals. Visualize the benefits of being more active and productive, okay? Number seven, use a timer. It's the Pomodoro Technique, which works for 25 minutes and you take a 5-minute break. This can help maintain a focus and reduce burnout. Number eight, reward yourself. Set up a rewarding system for completing tasks. Celebrate the small victories and achievements to stay motivated, okay? By implementing these strategies, you can overcome laziness and boost your productivity big time.